Let's talk about D2C, direct to consumer brands today. What does it take to launch a D2C brand? What are the trends? Can anyone launch this D2C product sitting at the comfort of your home today? That's a reality, that's a possibility today. I'm very curious about consumer brands. I'm a big fan of Apple products, I'm a big fan of Shopify, I'm a big fan of OFOs as a brand. And what I'm wearing today is March tea. So I pursued this curiosity and I reached out to a few people to learn about what is D2C and what it takes to build a D2C brand. And so we launched a D2C podcast series. Right now, if you go on Amazon, you'll find over 2.5 crore products over there. Imagine 2.5 crores at your fingertips, which you can just place an order and in 48 hours it can reach your home. If I go on March Tea, I place an order and within 7 days, I get towels, I get t-shirts, shorts at the comfort at my house. These are all custom made for me. And there's nothing better feeling than that, right? When you always want something personalized for you. And so what it takes to build such a brand? Well, one way to do it is to start a Shopify e-store. It's really that simple. You can use Shopify to get to say maybe 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs of revenue per month. You can build an online presence. You can figure out what products are being sold to whom. And once you got to the point where you know who your customers are, the kind of products that they are buying, then you can go to a company like Shoptimize. Shoptimize is like a homegrown Shopify at your service. Founder Mangesh Pandit Rao has really made it simple and works with you, the founder of your own brand, D2C brand, to generate revenues upwards of a crore to 2 crore per month. He's done that with brands like Haldiram's. Now, suppose you've even got a crore or 2 crore worth of revenue each month. What next? How big can you grow? Ravi Nigam, founder and ex-managing director of Tasty Bite, has taken his company IPO. Moreover, you have some amazing brands which have received a lot of venture capital investment from the likes of Fireside Ventures, Mama Earth, Wow Skin, Boat. Boat recently did 700 crores of revenue just during the pandemic in 1 year. Sugar Cosmetics made about 450 crore of revenue just last year. Imagine this, right? If you could pursue your passion, a product that you are unhappy about, and you want to build or create a better product, you can do that today. And that brings financial independence, that brings creativity, that brings fulfillment, and a whole lot of things which you wanted to do all this while. Lastly, we've got some really good guests who decode how D2C brands work. For example, if you wanted to build a premium brand from India, not a cheap brand, a premium brand, then you have Darshan Shah, the founder of Scarters, share his story of how he built a premium lifestyle accessories brand here from India. If you want to understand what it takes in the early stages, you want to go from launching a product, a first brand, to say 10 lakh rupees in revenue per month. It's the first step is typically the most difficult, right? But how much money do you need to launch such a product? How much time do you need to figure out whether that product is really selling like hotcakes? What about other product lines? All of this we speak with Rohan Vekhande, founder of Fitster 5. So there you have it. D2C is all around us. It's a highly competitive space, but because of technology developments, because of creator economy, because of companies like Shopify and Shoptimize, anyone, literally anyone, can launch your own product, your own business, and gain financial independence. So stay tuned, log into DASAR podcast where we bring you a D2C series. It's power packed. It's got a lot of insights. I have learned a lot in this process. to the point where I now want to launch my own D2C brand. So see you soon. Thanks a lot.